Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Oven Recipes. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the stage function on the NuWave Bravo XL Smart Oven. So anytime you want to do stage cooking, you'll know how to do it as well. So let's get started with that now. Alright, so for this demonstration of stage cooking in the NuWave Bravo XL Smart Oven, I first turn the oven on, and after you turn it on, these are some key tips to remember when doing stage cooking. When doing stage cooking, you cannot use any of the pre-programmed options. When you're doing stage cooking, you have to enter the time and temp for each stage manually. So, when you're doing a stage cook, in order to start stage cooking, you hit the stage button, and although it starts at stage 2, which is kind of illogical in my opinion, but that's where they start, you have to keep pressing the stage button until you get to stage 1. There are 5 stages you can pre-program. But get to stage 1. And then let's say in stage 1 you wanted to do a high heat cook of some meat to start it off. You wanted to just cook it real hot. So you go up to 450. You cannot use the broil pre-programmed option in your stage cooking. So you go up to 450. And let's say you want to do that for just 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Let's leave it at 6. That's your first stage. That's set. Next stage, let's say you want to just do a regular cook of it. So you hit the stage button, now you're on stage 2. And let's say you want to bring it down to 375. So I go to 375. And let's say I want to do a time of, let's say 25 minutes, just for the sake of this demonstration. So then you're at 25 minutes. Stage 2, and your temp is 375 degrees. Let's say you want to do another stage where you just keep your food warm after you feel it's been cooked. You hit the stage button again, you're on stage 3, and let's say I want to take it down to 300 degrees, and I want to do a time of just, let's say 10 minutes of just keeping it warm there at 300 or so. Probably could go lower than that. Let's change the temp down to 250. Just for the sake of doing that. So we're down 250 to 10 minutes. That's stage 3. Now we could continue the same process and do stage 4, stage 5 if we had other stages we wanted to do, but we're going to stop there. So we've got 3 stages in, and now in order to start cooking, let's say your food is all in and you're ready to start cooking, you just hit the start button. Now I've hit the start button. As you see, it's gone back to what I set for stage 1, that's 6 minutes. That temperature of 450 degrees. So now it will count down this 6 minutes and then it will go to stage 2. If you want to kind of rapidly move on to the next stage, let's say you want to finish a stage early, you just take, while it's on the time, you just turn the knob down to 0 and it automatically advances to the next stage. So here we are at stage 2. It's advanced to stage 2. 25 minutes, 375 degrees, which we set. And then let's say you just want to advance through that stage, get on to stage 3 because you think stage 2 finished. You can turn the knob while it's on time down to 0, and you're on stage 3, 10 minutes, 250 degrees, and it counts down to that. It'll count down to 0 basically, and then it's done. And so with that, that's how you do stage cooking. If you try and do any variations, like I said, trying to do pre-programmed and other options, you're going to probably not have things work out well. Stage cooking is specific to just putting in manually each of your stages, putting in your time, putting in your temp, and leaving it at that. So that's how it's done. So I hope you like this demonstration of stage cooking, and I hope that it's a help to you. Stage cooking can be a little tricky, but once you get the hang of it, you'll know how to use it for your needs. And you can find plenty of recipes for this smart oven and other convection cookers and other types of air fryer at superwaveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter at waveovenrecipes. I'm also have an Amazon shop at amazon.com/shop/waveovenrecipes. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, leave your comments, subscribe to this channel please, and good eating.